Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel, Learn and Prepare. So today we are here with the fourth part of MCQ series. Today in this video we'll discuss the biggest, tallest, and the deepest in the world. So let's start the video with the biggest in the world. The first slide we have is about the biggest bell, that is the Tsar Bell located in Moscow. Next we have is the biggest city in area, that is New York. The biggest cinema house we have is Roxy, located in New York. The biggest flower we have is Rafflesia arnoldi. You can compare the size of this flower with man. The biggest museum we have is the Louvre, located in Paris. Now we'll talk about the tallest in the world. The tallest animal on land we have is giraffe. You can compare the size of this giraffe with man in the picture. Normally the height of the giraffe is between 16 to 19 feet or 5 to 6 meter. The tallest building we have is Burj Khalifa, located in Dubai, UAE. The tallest residential building we have is Central Park Tower, located in New York City. The tallest Minar we have is Qutb Minar, located in Delhi, India. The tallest statue we have is the Statue of Unity, located in Gujarat, India. The tallest hotel we have is Jevora Hotel, located in Dubai. The tallest man we have is Sultan Kosen. He is from Turkey. The tallest tree we have is Hyperion, or a coast redwood. The tallest fountain we have is King Fahad's Fountain, located in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Now we'll talk about the deepest in the world. The first we have is the deepest trench, that is Mariana Trench. It is a part of Pacific Ocean, as you can see in the picture below. The next we have is deepest ocean, that is Pacific Ocean, and it is deepest because of the presence of Mariana Trench. In the picture, I have compared this depth of this Mariana Trench with the height of Mount Everest. You can see the Mariana Trench is more deeper than the height of Mount Everest. Next, we have the deepest lake. I have compared the depth of all the lakes. The deepest lake we have is Lake Baikal. It is located in Siberia. The next we have is Lake Superior, and so on. So this was for today. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Allah Hafiz.